Hello, and welcome to my 21 days series of meditations and insights, healing everywhere. Today it's the second day, and today I'm at home. Yesterday I was in nature, and my meditation today is a very intimate, private meditation. You can do it alone, and if you live in a relationship, you can do it with your partner. In this meditation, we want to connect in a positive way to the body. So you can do this meditation when you have your clothes on, or you can do it nakedly. And in this meditation, I suggest that we touch the body in a very calm manner, not erotic, not sexual. I call it earth touch, just to put your hand in a place and give it the amount of attention that this part needs in the moment, a deep one or soft one, just from listening, what does my body need now? And when we do this kind of touch, we work in a spiral manner, meaning we start from the outer parts of the body, the head, the fingers, the toes, and slowly we start to go to more center places like the breast, the belly, and maybe even the sexual parts if you want. And this touch has no intention to create sexual energy, even though it can happen, and it's great if it happens. But also it can just create calmness. Maybe a cry can come, maybe a laugh. So allow any kind of reaction to happen, and remember to breathe while you give yourself this loving touch. So I'll see you tomorrow, and thank you very much. Have a good day. Ciao.